Hi guys, welcome to this video, and here we're going to talk about another mount. This one is from Oberon and the name of the mount is 900-HC, and I really like this one. This mount allows us to install access points easily in an environment where we don't have drop-down ceiling. So if we have like a drywall or hard ceiling, we can use this bracket to simply install the APs under the ceiling. Or if you have like very high ceiling and you have to drop the AP down to take advantage of the propagation pattern of the integrated omnidirectional antennas of the AP, you can simply attach this little guy to like an electrical conduit. So you could feed the cables, your Ethernet cables through the conduit, and then install this box at the end of the conduit and have your access points neatly installed in the environment. It comes in black and white, which makes it perfect for different environments. It's just going to fit in different environment. So what comes in the box when you get this 900HC? So you get the actual box, then you get a little zip tie, you get some paperwork if you want to get some instructions, and then you also get a T-rail bar, which will allow you to use the brackets that comes with your access points to mount the AP under this little guy. And along with this, you also have different screws that will allow you to actually screw that T-rail bar onto the bracket. Okay, so that comes in the box, but the good thing about this bracket is that this is not always required. If I actually flip the box around, you will see that it comes with a whole bunch of holes. So you can actually directly screw the AP bracket onto the Oberon bracket. So if I take one of the brackets, let me just look at that. So if I take one of this one is a mist bracket, what I can actually do is line up some of the holes I have in the bracket with some of the screw holes I have here, and I have to find the proper ones. And I could actually, here we go, and I could actually directly screw my AP bracket onto that box, and then I had my AP installed on my AP bracket. So I can directly install it that way. If any of these, 15, 20 holes doesn't meet the requirements of your AP bracket, well, that's when you can use that T-rail bar to actually install it here and mimic the fact that, we'll be installing the APs under a drop-down ceiling. And then once again, you can reuse those AP brackets. In this case of mist, I could actually slide it in and clip it in, and then so I can install it that way. And if I do it properly, so you could do something like this if you wanted to. But if you have Mist or Cisco APs, what is actually very convenient with this Oberon bracket is that they have holes already there, so you can use the feet that you have under your Mist bracket, and you can directly, actually slide the AP in place. So no need of a bracket anymore. All I have to do is actually open up, there's a little lock that I can lift. I can open up the bracket, and then I can simply slide. If I show it to you like this, you can see I can slide the AP in place, poof, just like this, and the AP is installed. And the good thing about this system is that as I close the box, it gets locked in place by this little lock. And so now the AP is not going anywhere. The AP is locked in place. So as you can see, even if I shake it, it's not falling down. So this little gate also acts as a lock. And if I want to take the AP down, I actually have to pull it, open it, and now it kind of allows me to take the AP off of it. It's same thing if I have a Cisco AP as I have here. I could just do the same thing, lock it in place, close the box, up. I can close the box. It's going to click and it's going to lock it in place. And just like this, I've installed my APs, right? So it's very convenient. If you have your cable coming through like an electrical conduit, you can actually install it right here, punch this hole open and install the electrical conduit. If you have extra cable, like some sort of service loop, you can actually use the inside of the box to kind of store that extra cable just in case you need it down the road. So a very convenient and in my opinion, good looking mount that will allow you to kind of drop APs, install them at the end of electrical pipes. You could also, as you can see, you have holes here, so you can also directly screw this guy onto the ceiling if you want to install APs in under hard ceilings or wooden ceilings, stuff like this. So very versatile and convenient brackets that Oberon is offering here. So we'll include the link if you guys want to take a closer look at the data sheet. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. We'll be happy to answer them. And until the next one, have a good day.